Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove Threads badge from Instagram profile. So either you can go through your Instagram app, or you can go directly into the Threads Instagram app and remove Threads badge from there. So let's consider that you are already on your Instagram. What I want you to do is to go into your profile picture on the bottom right corner, tap on it. And once you are on your profile, you can see here under your bio your Threads account. So by tapping on it, they will send you directly to your Threads account. And right here, I want you to tap on edit profile. Okay, and once you tap on edit profile, here you can change your name, your profile picture, you can add or write a bio, etc. And once we follow the steps, you can see the show Instagram badge right here, with the options on the edit profile section. So you can turn it on, or you can turn it off. In this video I want to show you how to remove the Threads badge, how to remove it. So you can by tapping on that one, you will remove the Instagram badge, the Threads on the Instagram badge, I mean the Threads badge from Instagram profile. Anyways, and there is another option. No, sorry, discard. Alright, you can go through your Threads app directly by tapping on it, and then you will tap on your profile below and the right corner, and right here you will do the same steps. You will go into the edit profile option, and right here you will turn off this option. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.